Hello there, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna talk about the dynamic islands on iPhone. Well, dynamic island is the Apple's new notch for iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro. Now with this peel notch, you can even interact with this. It can change to show you incoming calls, Face ID authentication, music playing, and at the same time, screen recording, or if you enable the stopwatch on your iPhone. Well, let me just go ahead and give you a demo and let me show you how it works. Well, first of all, let me just go ahead and get a call and see how it really works. As you guys can see, I got a call and now the peel notch has been changed and it shows me the phone call that I have on my phone. Now, let me just go ahead and swipe down from the top here. Now, let me just quickly open up the timer. Now, if I start the timer, if I minimize the application, you can see the timer is now running in the background and you can show the time from the notch. At the same time, if I swipe down from the top again, and this time if I enable, let's say for screen recording, you can see now this peel notch has been divided into the two parts. Now you can simply interact with these two different applications at the same time. You can tap and hold it to see things in much bigger size. So you can even interact with this if you want. Now let me just go ahead and turn them off. Now let's go ahead and play a music and see how it really interacts with the music. So I'll play the music here. If I minimize it, you can see the music is now playing on the notch. If I tap and hold it, it's gonna show me the whole music right here. Well, now let's talk about Face ID. If you just unlock your phone with your Face ID, every time you're gonna unlock it, your notch is gonna change and your iPhone is gonna be unlocked. Well, lastly, let's talk about charging. When we put into the charger into your iPhone, you'll be able to see the dynamic island is going to show you the charge percentage on your iPhone just like that. Alright guys, so this is all about the dynamic island on your iPhone 14 Pro Max and your iPhone 14 Pro. If you found this video useful by any means, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys again.